Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you guys can see, my table, I'm going to keep the white tablecloth. Guys, I'm going to be doing a color trends tablescape for 2023. I'm using the color trends that they are going on, which is the purple, the blues, the grays, the gold. And if you don't believe me, look it up. You can Google it. What are the color trends for this year of 2023? So I'm going to be using all different kinds of color. I do not know how it's gonna turn out. You guys know me, but I'm still gonna give it a try, and I'm sure that at the end it will come together. Guys, I just want to let you know that this is a open collaboration called Tablescape Tuesday, and this is hosted by the ladies of Elegance, which is Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. So let's see what I come up with. I think I'm going to be using, guys, bright colors, pastel colors. You guys can see this is the pastel color, and these ones are bright color. You could call it eclectic, but it's also the color trends for 2023. Hopefully, I like what I come up with. I have no idea. I'm using grays, blue, yellow, orange, gold. I'm using all different kinds of color. Lime green, you name it, I am using it. So anyways, I'm going to put this down and I'm going to put my runner, and then I'm going to come back at you and show you what else I'm going to come up with. All right, guys, this is what I have so far. I put this one down to put that on top of this one, but I don't like the way it looks. So I guess this is one that is not going to make it on the table, even though it has some blue and the colors that I'm using, but I just didn't like the way the center runner that I created. Guys, I'm gonna show you from close. These are three curtain panels. I did a braid, a loose braid, and then in the center I placed my Dollar Tree gold little picture frames. So right here. So guys, these are from the Dollar Tree. So now, and guys, I am using some crazy different types of plates. I'm telling you, I'm using green with flowers, blue. Anyways, you'll see the table's gonna come out. I'm telling you guys, I never plan anything, but I know the table's gonna come together nicely, and I know you guys are gonna like it. I'm doing this table, and tomorrow I will be making some homemade donuts because my daughter is coming home, guys. She's coming home. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get my plates, and then I'm gonna show you what plates I'm going to be using. Guys, you remember these chargers? Let me know how to use them this way. Once the table is done, let me know to use them this way or this way. As you guys can see, it has all the colors in there as well. But for now, like I said, this is going to be a colorful tablescape, so I'm going to use them with this color up. So you guys, let me know. And guys, don't be afraid to use color. I'm a person that I love colors. And you guys, look here. All the different plates that I'm using, guys. So let me show you. I am using these ones. These ones are called, this is a J rose pattern. You guys can see, look at the rose in the center. So, which it has green. There's green on the plate. There's green on the placemat. So guys, of course, I'm using blue. This is going to be the salad plate actually. And then that one is melamine. And then on top of that one, I will be using this pattern. More color, guys. And these ones are Gibson. So this is going to be my bread and butter plate. And of course, I'm going to be using the little bowl, either for dessert or whatever you want to use it. And on top of that, I will be adding another little bowl, you guys can see, which it matches with the placemat and some of the flowers and candles that you guys are going to be seeing. So I'm going to do all my settings and I'll be right back, guys. So all my settings are all put down, guys. I'm going to be adding more color, which are these coasters. You guys can see I DIY in the back, and this is the front, so it goes perfectly with this. I will be using two coasters, which is they're going to be the glass coasters, and this one. So I'm going to place that. I'm going to set my glasses, and then I will be right back. All right, guys, that's what it looks like. So I don't know. I think you guys gotta let me know. What do you guys think? Because I know this one matches with this bowl. So maybe I do two, one in that side and one on this opposite side. So I don't know. You guys let me know. Let me know what do you guys think about it. Which size? So you guys can tell me. So you guys can tell me. I don't know. I think I like the size better because it's more of a solid color. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn them around. All right, guys, I got that, and here comes the blue, cobalt blue candle holders, which they go. I told you guys it will match with the blue plates. So there. I think I'm going to be using the green candles. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the green candles, which this one's right here. I will be using this one. All right, let's see what else. Let me put my napkins, which they are, you guys get them at the Dollar Tree. The blue bandanas, you guys get them at the Dollar Tree. That comes two in a package. I got two. That comes like this. The white napkins I placed because I have a white tablecloth. So I think I want to place them inside the big glass. So there we go. Either inside the big glass or I think I like him inside the big glass. Because it looks like, yeah, I think I like that better. Okay. Yeah, I think I like that better. Much better. I mean, yeah. Yep. All right, I'm going to be using my rose gold silverware. So let me place it on the table and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what my table is looking like. Now, shall we add the centerpiece? So let's shall add the centerpiece. Here we go. So this is my centerpiece. So what do you guys think? Simple, it's tall. I got my cobalt blue candle holders with my candles. So now all I need to do is light up. It's either those candles, guys, or these candles. Let me know. What do you guys think? These ones are like burgundy type candles. I mean, they still match with the lavender, but I don't know. You guys let me know. What do you guys think? Those match more with the flowers. Anyways, and like I said, this is an open collaboration from called Tablescape Tuesday, and it's hosted again by the ladies of Elegance. I will link their description, the link to their channels in my description box, so you guys can go and check them out and also watch the playlist. And guys, I believe on the 25th, Anna is hosting a Decorate Your Lantern. So guys, go by Anna's community tab and check out all the opens collaboration, because she does post them on her community tab. So this is my table without the candles on. So now I'm going to turn on my candles, turn off the light, and show you with the lights off. And guys, a lot of people ask me about my hairstyles. I do have long hair, almost to my waist. I like to keep my hair up in the summertime, all year around basically. So it's very simple. As you guys can see, it's just a ponytail in the back. I divide it in half and I do my braids, and then I style them to the side however you guys see them, and I hold them with bobby pins and a little bit of mousse on the end, and that's how I do my hair. It's easy. I don't have to be like worrying about the wind blowing my hair. Anyway, that's another thing. So anyways, let me light up the candles and show you with the lights off. Well guys, this is what it looks like with the light off, the evening look, and with the beautiful colors. This is my color trends for the summer of 2023. Yeah guys, I like it. I told you guys it'll come out together beautifully. Everything will match each other. It'll complement everything. So there you go guys, and here's from the top. Here's from the top. That's the other side. Yep. Flowers. And guys, have in mind that everything that you see in this table, from the tablecloth, from the only thing that is not thrifted here is the flowers. Some of them are from the Walmart. Some of them, this beautiful color right here is from the Dollar Tree. My napkins, these ones are from the Dollar Tree, the blue bandanas, everything else. And the silverware, that's not from the Dollar Tree. Everything else is thrifted from the vase. And of course the gold mirrors, but the curtains, everything else is thrifted. So you guys could make a nice beautiful tablescape with thrifted items. Don't sleep on the thrift store, guys. Don't sleep on the thrift store. Well, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye guys.